Introducing the Repair 360 CNC diamond cut wheel lathe. Built to the highest quality, its rigid design delivers high quality machining while not compromising on production or performance. The auto rotation post feature enables multiple operations without the need to manually swap out tooling, while the integrated camera system allows the operator to monitor the cut throughout the machining process. The Repair 360 CNC wheel lathe is capable of machining wheels as small as 13 inches and as large as 28 inches. A hand control unit is featured for fast, precise and accurate movement control down to 1/1000th of a millimeter. Used in conjunction with the touchscreen, the Repair 360 CNC lathe boasts accuracy like never before. The machine allows for manual automatic control at any stage of the probing or cutting cycles for absolute control, safety and precision. With real-time probe plotting, the detection is accurate to an astonishing 1/1000th of a millimeter, coupled with adjustable speed, height and distance intervals. With fully adjustable spindle speeds and feed rates, duplicating OEM machining is achieved with ease. And now to some late news. We are proud to introduce, fresh from the factory floor, a fully automated powder coating unit. This unit refinishes wheels to the highest standard with very little input from your technician. Our wheel ovens are capable of holding 4 wheels at a time. With the use of powder, the repair costs per rim are significantly reduced over other refinishing solutions, coupled with improved health and safety benefits for your technicians. We believe our solution embraces all that is important in busy workshops: minimal technician training, automated equipment, and quick production resulting in the highest quality finish.